Welcome to appBOTS. Using appBOTS, you can automate your business process. appBOTS will work for any kind of application, like Oracle Fusion Cloud, SAP, Oracle eBusiness Suite, or any custom application. Let's log into appBOTS. This is the appBOTS dashboard. We can see the total number of bots, active bots, successful bots, and the bots currently running. Here in this activity, we see the bots that have been executed in the last few months. Here we also have the overview and metrics. In the overview dashboard, it shows all the bots that are executed. Here in peak reports, it shows completed and errored bots as a pie chart. In this bar chart, we see bots that are errors or successes for each month. In the prolonged bots, we see bots with a duration of more than 10 minutes. In transient bots, it shows bots with a duration less than 10 minutes. In this dashboard, we see the bots that have been executed in the past day. In the line chart, we see the errored bots from the last few hours. Prolonged and transient bots are displayed in this chart. And in this table, we see all the bots executed in the past day. In appBOTS, we have to mention the connection details, like in which machine we are going to visualize the browser, and we are going to automate the process. Let's look at the connection details. We'll go to the connection screen, and then the connection called Form Playback. In this connection type, we have the HCM demo connection. Here we can see the details like Fusion instance name URL, and there is a playback to log in and a playback to log out. Apart from this, in connection details, we will mention the node URL. It specifies the IP address and URL of the system where we are going to launch the appBOTS browser. So once we define the connection details, we need to define the layouts and playback. Let's go to appBOTS and click on Playback. In the Playback, we'll have the complete flow of the business process, where we will have the action for each element. Now we're going to see how we can automate the employee creation in Oracle Fusion Cloud. For that, we've already created a playback called Employee Creation. In the employee creation, we can see that we have the click action for home image, my client groups, and new person. We have select action for hire reason, and type and tab for legal employer. So for each field, we define different actions. When we create a playback, we will be using the layouts. The layouts represent the screens of the business application. For each layout, we have a set of elements. This is the parent layout and this is the child layout. Next, we are going to run the loader. Go to Loader, Loader tab, and then search for the loader. This is the loader, and click the Execute button. Now it will ask for the data file to be uploaded. This is the data file. The next step is execution. When we execute, it will automatically launch the browser, and then it will start the process automation. You can see here the browser is launched automatically. It will type the login information for the Fusion instance, and click Sign In. Once you define the playback, it will do all of the actions in the Fusion instance automatically. It's navigating to the home screen and the employee creation screen now. You can see it's clicking on Hire Employee, and it's filling out the information we provided in the datasheet. It will fill out all of the details, and then submit the employee details. Now it's entering the country details, national ID, and going to the next screen. Now it's entering the address details. Phone numbers and email ID are being entered now. Once it enters the email ID, it will select a value for marital status. Now it's going to save and submit the details. The changes were saved. It's saving those details. Now it's in the final stage, and it will submit the details now. It will also read the confirmation message. Once it is submitted, appBOTS will automatically log out of Oracle Fusion Cloud, and it will close the browser. The status will be displayed in the dashboard. Here we can see how many processes have been automated and what their statuses are. Thank you for watching.